So friends, this is the view by which you reach your villa. The villa numbers are displayed, and you walk on this beautiful green passage to reach your villa. This is how it looks externally, completely covered in greenery. So this is the room from outside, and you have umbrellas kept here. This is how it's written, and we'll enter it. So as soon as you enter, you have this giant mirror and this mirror facing the card keys, and this is the big mirror. You have the locker, these hangers, these pillows, and bathrobes, plenty of space here as well. Let's open it up for you. You have this iron table, and here if you come, this is the wash area. This is how it is, and your bathtub. You've got two outdoor showers. One is this one, and one is this one. This mirror area. And now I'll take you to the room. Okay? So this is the room. It comes with a complimentary big bed. You can see here. This lamp. You have a movie which is showing the features of siyam, ohluvelli. This, the swimming pool. We've got two benches, and here, just check out the view, guys. Like, you come out of the room and you just have swimming pool, these two benches, and the ocean, like right in front of you. So with so much of greenery. So yes, friends, this is the complete view of the villa. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.